The day is at Parc Broekhuizen with a lovely, rich history. And it's really nice to see the place for this occasion again.
Our passion is tea. But equal to tea is the fact that we are able to deliver life-changing benefit to so many.
It's really great to see a business as big as Dilmah say, can we try to do good business and also business for good?
Tea is an incredible herb. Not only is it diverse in taste, but also tea has incredible synergy with food.
The tea and the food together join the people.
I was super surprised what happened in my mouth when the food pairing started.
That synergy begins with the marriage of flavor. The beauty there is antioxidants, the polyphenols in tea, they act in such a way that they push and pull flavor. Tea enhances, highlights and presents the textures and the flavors in the food. It gives pleasure, but it also delivers function.
To see the knowledge behind that makes the quality.
Great food, great people, food pairing. Yeah, it's a perfect day, man.